guys, welcome back to Maggie Moo TV. Today we will be making a DIY American Girl doll bed, and this is what it will look like. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I hope you enjoy. First thing you're going to need is a box that's 18 inches long, or it could be longer. This is about 2 feet. You're going to need an old pillow. Make sure you ask a parent if it's okay to use it. Then you're going to need a pair of scissors. And then you definitely need an American Girl doll or a different kind of doll if you want to make a bed. Or you can just make it for decoration. So that's it.
First you're going to want to start off with is cutting out the side of the box. Make sure you don't cut it too low, otherwise it won't be the right width. Sorry about the screaming in the background, that's my little brother. So let's get started.
So now it's finished, and it doesn't look very good right now, but once you put the pillow in, it will look fine. So I'm going to put the pillow in, and you will see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. I had to bend the pillow a little bit because it was sticking out too far. I also had to tape the bottom with Scotch tape, packing tape. And now I think it looks more like a couch, but it can also still be a bed. So here's the simple version. If you want just a simple version of a bed, you just add a few little pillows onto it. But now I'm going to be showing you how to snazz it up and make it look gorgeous. Final product. Yes, it's not entirely jazzed up, but you know, it's better than just a cardboard box and a pillow. So basically, I just put a whole bunch of duct tape around the rim, here, and here. This is an American Girl doll pillow. This is a pillow that my grandma made, and then this is like a paperweight that I thought was cute and matched. So I think this would be like a good bed for like Julie or something. It also could be a couch, but I'm very happy with how this turned out, and I hope you can do the same. So let's see what it's gonna look like with everything else that I've made. So this is what it will look like if you have the doll laying down, and I think it is perfect. It can also be a couch. I realized that it wasn't a very good size for the height, and then there's my little mini desk, so it doesn't look super fun right now, but later on in the other videos I will be adding on. And so yeah, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Also, by the way, that's Charlie. He's my brother. He will be on some of the other videos. But yeah, I hope you like it.